Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa loob ng Gems Gallery. Ang dilim. Para nasa tayong nasa malalim daw na underground. Guys, oh. Tingnan nyo. Ganyan. Walang nakikita. Oh my God. Something nice. Parang may thunderstorm.
So, working.
Oh my God. Magalinog.
Oh, ay, pati uli yun.
Puro. Guys, pupuntahan. Parang
Parang sunog vulkan, naglap.
yung earthquake sa Myanmar.
Repeat, ano yan?
Oh, guys, nakita
Paano,
nyo.
yung,
Bumubukang lupa.
yung gumagalaw ang plates.
Wala na next.
So, driver ka next time.
Hindi. Ang ganda. Parang nasa loob kami ng cave. Guys.
Stones, oh.
Oh! Parang nasa ano tayo silin, di ba sa underground river? Oh! Oh, sa underground river nga in Palawan. Oh, see? Oh, look like the underground river. Oh, cave nga ito eh, cave.
Molten rock or lava turns into stones over a period of time. Some of these bear precious metals. The pressure of the earth causes them to crystallize into a variety of precious stones, creating various minerals.
Yes, ano? Hindi. Ano yan? Natural. Stalagmites and stalagmites.
Ano to? Natural?
Mineral stones is determined by their individual qualities,
Man-made lang to din.
beauty, color,
Pero parang totoo siya. Parang yung napunta namin sa
quality stones
Puerto, oo.
are popular material for
Pero ang pagkakaiba, malawak yun.
Ang ganda, no?
Oo, parang totoo.
Kaya,
Amazing talagang talent ng mga ng mga Thailanders.
yung mga rice.
Kala ko ano,
We are
Pilipinas.
going to show you how gemstones are discovered, or in other words, what we might call gem mining.
Sa mining. Sa mining industry na naman tayo. Ayan.
Gamit nila,
Yan yung mga gamit. Diba? Ganito kalalim yung pagmimina, no? Kaya minsan maraming natatabunan ng mga minero. Parang totoo. Kala ko ba tunay din yun? Tignan mo. Ay! Amazing! I love this.
A long, narrow curve is then deep into the ground until the gem ore is split. Then, the digging continues horizontally. The area
Galing ah.
Dapat din bigyan nila.
Oh, saan na naman ang punta natin? Sa cave, sa mining. What's the next station? Oh, ito. Mag-explore kami ng ginawang tunnel ng mga minero.
The
Tunnel?
development of more advanced technology, open pit mining was replaced
Ah.
by hydraulic mining,
Hydraulic
which is a
mining
quicker
na.
and safer method of gem mining.
Oh, ayan. Ganda. Uy! Hydraulic mining. Oh,
Kapag na, sa paano.
high-tech na siya.
Let me join hydraulic mining.
Ay,
Mining
wow.
is water at the surface of the ground under which gem ore is found. Gravel, dirt, and gemstones are washed down through the rock. The cleansing
Ganda.
separates the gemstones from the rock. The recovered gemstones are handed over to experts to be sorted.
Kaya palumoy so
Kaya palumoy nga nasuga po. Kaya hydraulic.
Iyan sa nagpaninda. Ang ganda na naman nakuha nila. Different kinds of stones na siya.
Hydraulic kay water. And then what's the next?
Gemstones originate from many countries around the world. Not all of these countries, however, are
Yan,
allowed
oh,
to
Cambodia.
Many countries are known for their diamonds, rubies, sapphires, emeralds, and other colored stones.
Over the world.
Gemstones unearthed from various places of origin are handed over to experts who decide how to cut them, taking into consideration their type and original shape.
Ayan.
Naparakali baga, ganyan. Actually,
Yun iba-ibang stones na.
kasi di baga, kung di man siya, yung mga Swarovski,
Rough
di
stones
baga,
are washed, truncated, and assigned the best orientation
may ang mga gabo. Ang kind of bag,
and the maximum depth of colors and brilliance.
Kuyan sa mga panahon na
Gems, their shapes are refined before being faceted and
Ganyan mo
polished
na
and
yung
finally
Wow!
The round, brilliant cut, which can incorporate as many as 154
Gayon.
facets, is the most popular faceted cut for most stones.
Emerald round.
Rubies and sapphires have a hardness level of 9. Emeralds, topaz, and amethyst have a hardness level of 7. Other stones rank lower on the scale of hardness.
Kamaga yun. Oh. Sana tayo.
Thailand's artistic heritage has been passed down from
Kaya,
generation to
James
generation
Gallery.
over thousands of years. The most exquisite masterpieces the world has seen can be found in palaces, royal costumes, temples, and Buddha images dedicated to kings
Ay,
and
wow.
religions.
Oh. Diba? Wow, ganda. Ayan.
Basta gusto magkape.
Ay.
Our works of art reflect the ancient faith. Our religious beliefs have inspired works of exquisite quality, works that define our proud cultural heritage.
Galing. Amo na.
also known in Thai as Plastic Moon, which literally means
Yan yung pag ano niya, pagtunaw ng
attachment.
Tapos pagtunaw ninda, pwede mag-ibig din ano, clay. Clay pot.
Gayon?
Yun ang ginibig ninda. Out of that gold na nakuha ninda.
Oo. Nabusog tayo.
Only tayo. Ito yung pahinga talaga natin.
Gutom na tayo pero nabusog dito.
Oo, nakalimutan. At tapos maganda.
Nakalimutan yung lunch buffet. And then, finally, finally, we will go back to
What we have.
the original station.
Iba ng mga daang eggs. Pero pwede naman ano, pwede ka magkakating ano.
Yeah. Yan
Oh,
na.
Magawa sila ng mga ano.
Ano na baga metal, yung mga sa metal sheet. Ano bang ginagawa dyan?
Iya, nag-aabol yan.
Nagabol.
Excel in their own area of expertise. As a result, each individual piece of art, no matter what its origin, is not only functional, but also uniquely and aesthetically distinctive.
Yan no, mga gold.
Galing ha.
Nagagibo ng sinda ng ano, ng porcelas, mga jewelry.
Mga jewelries na, yung mga ano dyan ka po.
Tapos kuya baga na ano, bago.
Wow, parang tunay. O, diba?
So nag-whip ka ng mga ano nito. Si ano yan, sa ibang madiyan na.
Wow. Mga life-size statue.
In any historical era, a kingdom's power and greatness has always been determined by its possession of enormous treasure in the form of jewelry, gold, and superior architecture.
Wow! Amazing! Wow! Wow! Amazing! I love this! Wow!
Ano, China yun ba yung Great Wall of China? Ayan si ano, si Titi.
People of later generations who have encountered these widely accepted World Heritage objects
King Tutankhamen.
Dito, si King Tutankhamen.
Tutankhamen yun. Yung babae si Cleopatra. Tutankhamen. Na rin. Ano si ano, si Dynasty-ang Qin.
Ay, galing.
Kaya nagpagawa ng Great Wall of China. Ito. Ayan o. Ayan na.
Yeah.
Ini, si Sete, ini yung pinababala niya.
precious stones have long been
Pwede
seen
ano
as
ni.
Seeing it with a precious stone will definitely show its true value. Here, you will always find
Uy! Si Elizabeth yan.
Gems Gallery is the world's largest center for gems and jewelry.
Ay,
The
wow.
company has showrooms in 4 cities:
Wow.
Bangkok, Pattaya, Phuket, and Chiang Mai.
Ayan no.
With our warranty
Oh,
system,
wow.
our customers can be fully assured that all our products are the standard price and quality.
Oh, bye-bye.
Gem Gallery is now
We're
ready to
amazed.
provide you with
Yeah.
superior
We love it so much. Thanks so much. Bye.